what? Hey.
Sígueme, dale, quiero verte bailar. Fuego que quema.
Let's go.
Viene Heidy quemando otra vez, bailando, gozando hasta amanecer. Todo el mundo rompiendo baldosas de pie. Dime qué pasa, qué es lo que
Hello. Everybody. Let's go. Hello. It's very hard in a lot of snow. Now this side, yeah. So sexy, hey.
Sígueme, dale, quiero verte.
Say what?
Fuego
What?
que quema.
Let's go.
Del flow moviendo cadera de izquierda a derecha sacando candela. Zumba que zumba, suena que suena. Come on, girl.
Holla! Everybody! Take it around and hello! What? Come on, get low! Woo! Let's go, eh? Get up! Say what? Boom, 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 boom! So sexy, hey!
Pégate,
Hey.
sígueme,
Hey.
quiero verte bailar. Fuego que quema. Y viene Heidy quemando otra vez, bailando, gozando hasta amanecer. Todo el mundo rompiendo baldosas de pie. Dime qué
Everybody! Take it around and hello! Come on, who's doing this? Da, 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 da. Say boom, 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 boom. Take it up. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, I'm crazy. Hope I didn't just freeze my phone. So, still on here, so I'm gonna pick another song because I am so not ready to go in yet. Hi, everybody. Who else is outside here, huh? Woo! See, my thing is falling. For anybody who knows that I just got a selfie stick, let me tell you, I have found multiple ways of using this puppy. Like this. I am on a selfie stick. Get yourself a selfie stick. It's okay. I am like so wicked out of breath. 3 songs in like 8 feet of snow is ridiculous. Like that was super hard, and like I'm totally sitting on my chair and my butt is like frozen. I mean, really. Oh, like this is so much fun. This is better than sledding. Like I'm having a blast. All right, let's see what other song I'm gonna do. What would be a good Tracy classic? Because all these like copywritten songs, as soon as I'm done live, I know Facebook is gonna take this down. Even though it is just for educational purposes. All right, anybody got a request? Got a song you want me to do? Here out in the snow? Peeps? I see 9 people on. Some of you have to be in my class. 10. What song do you want me to do? Di, come on. What song do you want me to do? Some more Zumba in the snow. All right, I'll pick a song. Let me see. Maybe I'll do, Taxi. All right, well, let me see if I can remember Taxi. It's been a while since I've done that song. My phone keeps swiveling. So let's see. All right. Taxi.